It's another travel day.
Good morning.
We've changed the settings on the camera so whenever you turn it on, it automatically films. So we start talking
Go like this.
and press it, and then it stops recording. So I don't know what's recorded and what's not. But today's another travel day. We're travelling from Kandy to
Ramboda.
on our way to Nuera Elia. But it's another 2.5 hour journey, so we thought we can't hack that anymore. We're in the mountains. It's too much for all of us, the travel sickness and stuff like that. So we've decided to stop halfway. We're going to Ramboda. We're going to stay there for one night at the tea factory like you mentioned.
Can't wait.
We're just in the process of trying to sort our pick-me driver because the amount of issues we've had with these taxis where they accept the job and then they just never turn up, it's ridiculous.
No, but the problem, when you say them out once, that's happened us one time. We've
Yeah,
actually
but
had
then they
more
keep
issues.
cancelling.
We've had more issues with the private drivers, the ones where like we've had them arranged for us by the hotels, and then they turn up and they're like following us around the country. So like they ring up the hotel. How he even knows that we're staying at this hotel, I don't know. We left him two hotels ago, and he's finding out where we've gone to.
As soon
and
as
ringing
you
up and
say,
saying we're going to come and pick them up.
as soon as you say what hotel that you're staying at, they just ring the hotel and they ring the local people and pretend that they're our driver.
Yeah.
So then all the hosts have been so lovely though, haven't they? They've been really looking out for us and helping us. And we've been like, no, that's not legit. That's not who we've liaised with.
Yeah, luckily the guy was just like, yeah, basically what he's trying to do is he wants more money than what it's showing on the Pick Me price. So he's ringing up, not accepting the job on Pick Me, seeing where he wants to get picked up from, ringing up here, and then saying to him, oh, will he accept X amount for me to do the job? Which we didn't even know was a thing, which to be fair, it's like a couple of thousand extra.
Yeah, it's not a lot, but then it looks dodgy.
But it's just dodgy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It makes you feel unsafe. And like 2 females with 3 female children, it just makes you feel a bit on edge.
But then sometimes it puts you in a situation where you have to accept because there is no other option for the drivers because it's literally in the mountains. And
the train's still not
travelling with
running.
children. But also, I was going to say, we're travelling from Kandy, but we've not videoed anything in Kandy. We've had a bit of a nightmare. There was been thunderstorms last night. We didn't do anything yesterday. H wasn't feeling very well and the weather wasn't great anyway, so we just stayed in for a chill day. And then the evening before that, thank you. The evening before that, we went to a cultural dance show, which was good.
Really good.
Yeah. And then I got my hair done, but there's a lot of stories to tell about that hair experience. It was so funny. It was a bit traumatic. But I've got my cap on because I'm not quite ready to show the world my hair.
You're not happy with the roots, Sally. So this bit is lovely. Like this colour's come out really nice.
I'm the colour
roots
of
you're
my
not so
jacket.
happy with. We need to be leaving. He's waiting to do the bags.
Okay, I'll explain in a bit.
Yeah. Here comes the monster case. He's put a lock on the door, so I can't put them in there.
I know, this is the best invention ever, by the way.
It's like a little lift, luggage lift. But he's locked it, so I can't put them in there ready. What's going on here? Hello. Okay, thank you. There we go. Not that one. Not that one. Right, put the dog down.
Also, we've had a washing machine, which is literally like a flipping crystal globe when you stay somewhere and you see that they've got a washing machine. What I mean is like when you see it, you're like, ah! But we've got that much washing, we've only managed to get about a quarter done because it takes.
Cut my head off.
You're too tall for me. It takes that long to dry that then you can't then do another wash because you've got nowhere to hang washing, which is so annoying. That was my problem.
The main problem is the plumbing stopped
That
working.
was last night. That was like
Yesterday.
that was one time. No, the plumbing stopped working last night, so
Night before.
we couldn't do another wash. But I said to the guy, I said it's fine because we can't do another wash anyway because it won't dry. So that's my own. I can't talk. That's my biggest
Main
pet
problem.
peeve, is that the apartment has a washing machine, but then you can't get all your washing done because it doesn't dry in time. So maybe the next option is just a laundrette.
Yeah, and we literally booked this place specifically for the fact that it had a little kitchen area and the washing machine. We're in the back end of nowhere. We're about 10 minutes away from where we're up in the mountains. It's a great thing for the thunderstorm because it means that last night
You felt so safe.
Yeah, we felt safe because we're up in the hills. Like we know the water's not going to flood here because obviously the recent floods, so we felt a little bit safer. However, we're not near anything. So this morning I woke up really early, like 7. And I was in the mood to just go for a wander. I was like, I'm just going to go and get a coffee, I'm going to go for a walk. And I probably got 30 seconds up the road and passed out, but at least the mindset was there. But I can't because we're in the hills. And it's beautiful. Have you showed it?
Yeah, I just showed it now.
Absolutely stunning. It's lovely to wake up to every day.
And the sunset the first night was amazing.
Yeah, but the point I'm making is we purposely stayed out of the way because of the washing machine, and then we got to use it.
Oh!
This could be our driver.
This could be our driver.
Oh, hello. I think so.
Right, let's go. Yeah, he's opening the shutters. And we are in. Really weirdly, the back seats don't go down, so there's no boot. So I've had to literally see that little cubby hole, literally pass everything through there. But it doesn't matter, we're all in. There's one massive suitcase occupying the front seat.
And we're off.
And we're off. So hopefully it's about just over an hour and 15, an hour and a half. Literally so on time, so that's good. Main worry is out the way now, otherwise it's not going to turn up. But yeah, so for now we'll just be hopefully a nice smooth journey, and then I'll video when we get to the hotel, which is the tea factory. Excited, girls?
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
very.
hold on, let me just turn it around.
Yeah.
There we go.
So excited.
Yeah.
Come to the factory.
Yeah.
May, can we try the cheese?
Yeah, can you stop pulling on your hair, please? You're giving yourself little horns. I'm so excited to try the Ceylon tea today, and I'm really hoping we get to try some samples, some different variants of teas, you know, like when they're made in different ways. So I hope. We'll see. We've got no idea, but we hope.
Disaster. So weird. We were literally travelling and I saw the sign for the hotel, but it's like a part of the tea factory, and it's at 150 metres in this direction.
I'll show you that you're stopping these people. Show it.
Show who?
Please, it's going to stop somebody.
Oh.
I'll explain when we get there. Well, that's good. They're right next to each other. When did you go? Oh.
Can I see, please?
Honestly, at this point, I've got no idea what's going on. This one?
No.
No.
I would say that's probably one of the worst travel days we've had. That was the weirdest experience. The taxi driver went past the hotel in the middle of the mountains, and it's 100 metres away, 150 metres away, so it got to like 10 minutes after, not on the shoes, not on the shoes, and I was like, I think we've gone past it. But then because it was in the middle of the mountains, it was really hard for him to turn around, so we ended up 40 minutes out of the way. Then he ended up in his other tea plantation, and I uploaded videos, and it was quite cool really. We could see everybody collecting the leaves and stuff, but wasn't what we wanted when we just wanted to be in the hotel. Got here, no one had a clue about our booking. They had to ring people to find out what it was. It was almost as if the hotel didn't exist. It was so weird. They got all our clothes in a trolley and then brought it up.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. I want.
Guy, the weirdo, is already waiting for us. Rich, what's it? Yes. Okay, so we've all eaten. We've put the girls put the colouring books back in their room. So I think we're going to go on the tea factory tour now because it's only about 3 o'clock, so we've still got a lot of time left. Gives us something to do. There's not a lot to do around here. So yeah, hopefully we'll learn some new things. This is what it looks like from the outside. Hello. There we go. I keep hearing that noise. I don't know what it is. Is it a monkey?
Be careful, guys.
Starts when you go to go to 6, just with the moisture.
Yeah.
We tried it out, so all the moisture's in it, it means a lot.
It's very quiet. It's like a private tour.
Because it's closed now.
Yeah.
Green tea machine. Green tea machine is steam, grind and one-time crushing. We prepare green tea once a month. We prepare black tea every day. This is rolling machine. This all process black tea process. This is rolling machine. Rolling machine tea is crushing and cutting. Okay. Yes. This all machine made in England. And a green tea machine made in China. All machine made in England. Tea stems useful for compost fertilizer our tea plant. Tea stem not drink, not taste. This is graded room. Tannin means fine particle of the leaf. This is a small particle, a strong taste. You can drink with milk. This is English breakfast tea, VOP, broken orange pico. This is medium particle, medium taste. You can drink with milk or without milk. Both are this strong taste. Peco, OP, OP1 and FBOP, light and lightest taste. No strong tea. You can see bigger particle, light and lightest taste. Okay. And this is our factory specialty golden plus. For use only this 2 part. 98% caffeine free. Okay. This is green tea light taste and caffeine, but very beneficial our body health. Low blood sugar level, manage cholesterol. And this is white tea and silver tea. Okay.
Yeah.
This is pink tea, good for the healthy skin. 100% natural.
Oh wow. This is black tea, VOP, Thank
Second
you.
sharing drink. Sharing drink. Okay. This is 2 black tea. This is a white tea. It's a green tea. It's a golden flush special black tea. This for pink tea.
Ah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Wow. I'm glad we get to try these because I've not actually ever tried.
Which one do you want to try first?
You can drink pink tea.
Pink tea, shall we first? Let me just make sure it's
Why
not
don't
too
we
hot.
pass it on as we do it?
It's very hot, so just be careful.
This is pink tea.
Pink tea, no, would you try it without?
Oh, it's hot now.
Pop it down then.
Don't be
Pop
on
it down
it.
then. Can we stand up?
I can't see much.
You've got legs. There we go.
That's nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
Lovely. Oh, that's
You
really
have to come a bit
nice.
closer, Mila.
Should never do that while you're, that's lovely.
Nice, isn't it? We'll try it, babe.
That's actually so good.
Nice, isn't it? Pink
Refreshing.
tea.
What about this one next?
Let Mummy try it.
Yeah, it's nice. It does taste a bit florally, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so then we had what, white tea, green tea,
And the golden flash.
golden flush. That's
And then
the
the black tea.
Yeah.
honorary one.
Yeah.
Black tea. Can you come try the green tea, please?
Is that one green tea?
This is green tea.
Yeah, you don't know me. Okay.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah, they love green tea.
I know.
Oh, that's quite strong. That one's not as hot.
Cute little mugs, aren't they? Good for testers. Give it Talia.
Oh, that's actually quite nice.
Right, that's it. And they might better pop it down to the next person so we can pick it back up.
It's lovely. It's really nice. That hot,
I'm going to
Yeah,
pass
they
the
look
white
like
tea
green
to
tea.
Mila. That's the white tea. Strong that one, isn't it?
Would you like to try this one, mate?
Yep.
Candy,
Thank
that's
you.
the green tea.
That's nice as well. This is white tea. That's actually really nice. Nice.
That's very strong, that one. That's the golden tea.
Ooh.
Very, very strong.
Do you like it? So this is a golden
Not so
tea.
bad.
This is the golden
Yeah,
tea.
that's the strongest one out of all of these.
Very strong. Yeah. Ooh,
Those are stacking up here, babe.
nice.
Hello.
Very nice. I'm not sure about that one.
We'll do one with sugar and one without.
Sorry.
Right, so I'm going to pass this one to you.
The one,
That's just a normal black tea. Don't like that one.
so
It's
that's the
very
one
strong.
with
That one.
What's this one? Black tea.
Yeah,
This is
the
black
one
tea,
with-
but without sugar.
Wait, can I record it on the phone?
It's right, both. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll just take a picture of the tea at the end.
No, that's nice.
Now that's 1 spoonful of sugar in there.
Thanks. I really like that.
Like that one.
That's way sweeter. It's lovely, that. That one's with sugar. Yeah, that's lovely, thanks. Oh, that's really nice. That one's with sugar.
Thank you.
This one's with the sugar in it.
The train of tea.
Right, actually get do get strongness to go on. That's very strong.
Right. Cuts me off. Right, what's this one? The green tea. I think.
Yeah, green tea first.
Just to make sure that it doesn't
Not
fall.
hot enough for me, sorry. I need it
White tea.
scorching. Is it me or did anyone else think that white tea was just black tea with milk? Like a white coffee? Learned something new today. Not that at all. The golden flush.
It's very strong, that one.
See, according to your reactions, none of you was very keen on this.
Very strong, isn't it? That's normal black tea, no sugar.
Do you prefer coffee than tea with milk?
Not necessarily prefer, you just you have them at different times, so sometimes you decide you want tea, sometimes you want coffee. I like them both.
Yeah. Good.
I think that still tastes quite strong, doesn't it? Like very
That's why I said to get some
tea.
to go on. And this one's got sugar in it.
You don't have that one.
That is the worst.
Any of them.
I used to have 2 sugars in my tea, and now I don't have anything. So when I have sugar again now, it tastes really different. What about you, Mummy? What did you think?
Yeah, nice. I just, they're all a bit different, some are stronger than others. I prefer my tea with milk and honey though, but lovely.
Oh, they sold them. This one, yeah, that's what they sold in the shop. What we got for
They sold one
you.
of them for the shop.
Yeah.
There was something in that one, but I didn't come
That's. I think that's one that we was going to get, but then it was loose tea.
Oh, tea leaves.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Leave it there, so because you're going to collect them. Turn around, Lenny.
Is it okay with my ears?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Oh, one of them that lady had something over her head.
That's what they use to collect the teas. No, it's not a religion, babe. You're collecting the teas.
Don't miss it, little
Tea leaves.
I wish I could have that around my body like more.
No, it's not how you do
I
it.
didn't want it done. But why do we don't have that?
That's so cool.
Oh, that's so really strange.
It's just because you're not used to it, babe. Oh, cool.
Yeah, I like the purple.
Probably too long for you, that how it is.
It's like,
Yeah, you let Mummy have that one.
my mummy likes purple too.
Oh,
Oh, thank you,
good
Harley.
girl. Is mine going to work with my cap on? Make a memory. Look, next up is going to be carrying your backpack on your head. Ah,
How will we even know where to pick the leaves?
exactly, this is what's so cool. We haven't got a clue, but when we come back, we're going to know exactly how we do it.
How do you do it? Oh, that's not it.
I just keep looking over
It's really hard to do.
What do you do?
Ask her to show you again, Lenny.
Like this.
Yes.
Yep.
Put in the basket.
Can we do it? Go in?
Turn around. No. Yeah, it did.
It did. Okay.
10 points.
Can I try that, please?
Yeah, that's what she showed us.
Maybe this one. This one?
Go behind you, look. Here.
Look, the lady's going to help you now. Oh,
Oh, that's hard. Like that?
Yep. We get the whole stem, not just leaves.
Andy. Did you go in?
yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to pick the good one.
It's harder than it looks, isn't it?
Harder to pick or put it in the basket.
Gross.
There, let go.
Ready?
Right guys, I'm probably going to leave the video there now. As you can see, it's been a bit of a mixed match day, but I thought it was always good to travel, to document travel days, to see that sometimes things don't always go to plan, but they do end up okay in the end. We are absolutely exhausted now. The kids aren't, they're up dancing to Sri Lankan music on the telly, but I'm going to have a little nap I think, or just have a chill out, reading my Kindle, do some editing. So there's probably not a lot more now that I can video. But yes, off to Nuera, I can't say it so hard, Nuera Elia, something like that, tomorrow for 2 nights before we head off to Ella. We're so gutted we can't do the scenic train ride, but obviously due to the cyclones and landslides, there's not a lot we can do about that. Not our fault, obviously not the country's fault, but it's just one of those things. We feel a bit gutted about our experience in Sri Lanka. We've not got that full experience that travellers get with the scenic train ride, and I don't know, it just feels a bit weird. So we don't really know what to do with ourselves now. There's all these places we want to see, but I don't know, we would have absolutely loved to do that train ride, but maybe there was a reason why we can't do it. It wasn't meant to be. There's plenty of other opportunities around the corner. But yes, always grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure we'll video whatever we get up to at our next destination. Good night.